and I told him I'd show him. But, you know. And then when I got forth with him, but then when they went to sell it, you had to tell people. I mean, you couldn't just go out there and go, oh yeah, you know. I was like, he is one no good, dirty, rotten son of a gun. So, you know, if you don't have a really good hand, you don't want this one.
See, and Pixie doesn't have a mean bone in her body.
Right.
Comparing,
Right.
it's a fear issue.
Right. And you just kind of, you just get so that she kind of figures out that, hey.
No. Oh.
Yeah. Well, I told John we had 3 things going for us. We were old enough to be the grandparents.
Oh, you're going to be good.
Well, you know, that reason I spoke about, I got it one off and it shocked the crap out of me because, I mean, I had to hold it. I can't imagine that. Well, in the back of the car, people are surprised too.
Oh, that's a little sensitive about her flank. That's why she was kicking out earlier when I first put the saddle on, because she felt that flank get tight there, and that's why she was kicking out at it. I just keep touching her nose there and saying, hey, you should move that over there. Because what I'd like to maybe move it to you. I go, well, you should probably move it over there. Same way on this side. You should move it over there.
How old is this one?
It's called?
Holly, I was thinking it was Holly. I'm Mark. I was thinking it's Holly.
And I saw your horse swimming around and kicking.
Okay, baby.
Your hair was straighter or something.
I had really long.
Yeah.
Wow.
I remember that.
Yeah, it was horrible. Horrible. And you know, the funny thing is, I saw it, but it hit by me so fast. Jerked the tires like I couldn't get it done, and it was the nail was fortunately, I think I got even enough off to do get me here. It got me here. Oh,
bad.
Is he the one that the guy named Marilyn got adopted? Yeah, and his daughter runs barrels on now. Yeah. He turned out to be a really nice little horse, but
It was one of those things. Yeah, I think it's more. This is a timing thing, and it got you by
well, you
surprise.
know, the funny thing is, Scott, the guy who adopted him, was enough of a horse, and when I called him, I said, you already told me to adopt him, and he said, and that's the thing I told him. And when Scott called me, he said, I called him, I said, let me tell you what happened. His name was for Brave Heart, that's what we called him. His name was very brave horse.
This is my cold starting saddle. It's kind of got it because they gave me such a good deal and I couldn't refuse it. Normally I like them with a Cheyenne roll on the back. That's where I normally grab if I need to hang on to something. But this one's got such a short skirt that you can grab on the back skirt, and the bars are right there, so you can tuck your finger underneath the bars and put a hang on. So that's what I can normally use it.
Yeah, I like it. I've been admiring.
Pretty cool.
I even remember where you.
And we normally, like, the problem is we've only got a couple saddles that we have that we always keep because we sell the rest of them. You know, we'll ride one for a year or something or two, and then, you know, somebody will go, well, you know, do you have any saddles? Well, I guess we can get rid of that one. Well, we can get rid of that one. They're kind of broke in, you know. Yeah, not that one and not that one. So we have some ones that, you know. And the nice thing is we'll ride them for a year or two, and then they're pretty broke in, and they got plenty of life left in them, you know, but they're good and comfortable. And then we get to ride them for a year or two, and normally, like this saddle's 3 months old.
Really? I wouldn't have guessed that. I had to take a...
Did I buy this in January?
I mean, she put over there by the...
When did I buy this one?
October.
Was it October? Okay, that's what it
Well,
was.
that's 3 months. That's not a year. I thought it was several years old.
He rides a lot.
Yeah, we ride a lot.
I say watch the dog. Did you see it? When he almost flipped over back?
Yeah, when he was at the bridge.
Yeah, I saw that.
Black buzzard just came over.
Oh, yeah.
Flying cow.
I could have seen that going a whole different way than it went. Yeah,
Just want to kind of, and I'd ride them in the halter the first time because I'm pretty sure they know what that means. In fact, I proved it when I got on my horse and flagged him around a little bit. I could have, kind of made sure that worked.
I do like being here. Yeah, I know you do.
See what I can do? When I bump here, I will need that hindquarter stiff over there like that. She's a lot better now about her neck being soft. She doesn't pull on me near as much as she did before. She's going to be one that you probably don't want to have to use too much leg with.
Oh, really?
Why do you say that, Mark?
She'll buck.
Well, that's why I was going to ask you why you're... Rita. Who says that there?
She may buck just with
Now
me
you know
on
why
it.
everybody's really here.
Get the show started. And we wasn't supposed to get adopted.
We do not want her to buck.
Run you into that pole. The good thing about that, though, people post it, and you're like, note to self, don't
See how
ever
she's
try
getting
that.
humpy already,
So it's hard for those people to, like, put one under you.
Whoa!
Oh, you buck like a wuss.
Don't up
Good.
Yeah, I'm not using my legs. I'm just kind of going along there. Go. That's not very. That's a lot of work.
Don't call her a wuss. Tell her that's a wonderful buck. That's all we need.
Hi, Oprah.
Rocking chair. Rocking chair canner.
He's already a pleasure horse now.
Yeah.
A little slower, a little flatter.
Can you get her to do a pee off?
Wrong lead.
I would feel a lot more confident. We could use her in the bars for the bucking bull thing.
Good. She's kind of like that, isn't she?
You could just, okay, go around, see if you can stay on for 8 seconds. You really want to challenge, kick harder.
Kick way in the back.
Yeah. But yeah, you just kind of go along there. Don't like when she goes and does that. I don't really do a lot, but I don't want to push her any harder. I just kind of sit back, keep your feet off of her, and just go. Come on, I'll just go along there. She'll figure out pretty quick that going forward's a lot easier than bucking, and so.
So, is your opinion that she's never been ridden?
Yeah, I don't think she's been in. And she's going to be one that I think she's going to turn out okay, you know. She will be one that if you're not kind of careful right at the beginning, she's going to get where she'll think that's kind of cool to kind of curl up around there like that. I'll normally tolerate that a little bit for the first ride or two, and then after about the second ride, I'm going to go, you know, you might get in more trouble than you kind of want to be in if you kind of keep that stuff up.
So what do you do?
Well, you just kind of bend their nose, and, you know, like you can, it depends on, you know, the one-ring stop is half physical, half emotional.
Do you have your, wallet on you?
You got $10 bill? Give me $10.
I do, but I'm sure he's got to.
Don't worry about it.